He wasn't lucky, he wasn't famous, he wasn't rich, just obsessed. And now, he's building a billion-dollar empire off YouTube videos. At 11, Jimmy Donaldson posted his first video. At 17, he studied YouTube's algorithm with friends for 1,000 days straight. No breaks, no plan B. He built MrBeast from a small bedroom in North Carolina, then pumped every dollar back into content. While other creators flexed cars, he gave them away. It took him 8 years before he truly blew up. And when he did, he launched burgers, snacks, apps, charities, even YouTube channels in 10+ languages. Why? Because MrBeast doesn't chase views, he engineers them. The secret? Obsession, precision, insanity. If you want to be great, stop looking for shortcuts. Start studying like your life depends on it. Because MrBeast wasn't built overnight. He was built frame by frame. Would you go all in like that?